Is your HP laptop not connecting to the internet? Don't worry, try these quick fixes. First, turn Wi-Fi on. Press FN plus F12 and make sure airplane mode is off. Now, restart your HP laptop and power off your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds. Go to Settings. Open Network and Internet. Forget your Wi-Fi network and reconnect it. Open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Enable the Wi-Fi adapter and update the driver. Next, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter to fix common errors automatically. If it still doesn't work, reset network settings and restart your laptop. Still no internet? Contact HP support or a certified technician. You can also get help for expert technician at 1-888-765-0492.